Three challenges faced by every interior designer while creating their own interior designing business. Number one, they don't know how to create a business plan with USP. Number two, interior designers are very weak in sales. They don't know psychology of selling. They only know designing. Number three, they don't know how to give proper estimate and POQ. As a result of these three challenges, 90% of interior designer fail to run their business in the first year itself. I want you to click on the link in the description of this video and join my 90-minute challenge solving demo class specially designed for interior designer to solve the challenges arises in starting the business and growing their own interior designing business. In this demo class, I am going to share with you step-by-step procedure which you can easily follow to create and scale up your own interior designing business. Click on the link, register yourself, and I am looking forward to see you in my 90 minutes challenge solving demo class.